I'm starting my ribeye steak recipe by making a warm relish straight on the barbecue. So I've preheated the grill for about 10 minutes and the relish ingredients go straight on. So I've got tomatoes on their vine, pepper, some wedges of onion, whole garlic cloves still in their skins, and some red chilies. And I'm going to shut the lid, but keep an eye on them and turn them quite frequently until they're beautifully charred and caramelised all over, and I'll just take them off one at a time as they're cooked. So I'm putting the tomatoes, pepper and chilies into a bowl because they're beautiful and cooked now, and I'm going to cover them with cling film that will help the skins steam off and make them easier to peel. I've got some little branches of rosemary and thyme that I'm just going to pop on the grill to toast really quickly, just for a few seconds. And then I'm going to take them off, pick off the leaves and cut them up. The garlic cloves just squeeze out of their skins and I mash the flesh with a knife. I peel away the crispy edges of the onion and finely chop the flesh. Peel the pepper and the chilli and de-seed and chop both. Peel and chop the tomatoes. A good glug of sherry vinegar and plenty of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper. And in no time at all, I've got a bowl of red relish full of healthy antioxidants and really punchy grilled flavours, ready to take on our ribeye steak. So a generous seasoning of salt and pepper and just a little bit of oil is all it needs. I'm using this sizzle zone first because it's incredibly hot and really quickly will create a beautiful caramelised crust on the steak. I'm pressing down really firmly with my tongs to make sure the steak has maximum contact with the hot sizzle zone. Once the steak's done on both sides, I'm going to lift it up and press it down on its side just to get a lovely bit of colour on that side edge. Now I'm going to transfer the steaks to the regular grill bars so they can finish cooking just a little bit more gently. I'm using a meat thermometer to take the guesswork out of cooking the steak. You need to push it right into the centre but not too far out the other side, otherwise you won't get an accurate reading. And you're looking for 50 Celsius for rare, 60 for medium, 70 for well done. And that looks just how I like it. So now the steak's done, I'm just going to rest them up on the warming rack here. Now when you're cooking steak, the rest is really important, about 5 or 10 minutes in a warm place, and it just allows the fibres to relax a bit and the temperature to even out throughout the meat. Then I'm going to slice it into thick, juicy ribbons and serve it with plenty of that lovely barbecued relish alongside. Steak perfection.